Assalamu alaikum students, my name is Abdul Hanan and you are watching Study Wali class. Friends, in this lecture we are going to solve some of the numericals which are very important in the concept of equilibrium. So first of all, make sure to like, comment and share to my videos, and also subscribe to my channel Study Wali class, and also press the bell icon for the future notifications. So the first numerical is that which cannot be in equilibrium. If we have the options and each set has the three forces, so the first option is that the 5 Newton, 10 Newton and the 3 Newton. The B part is the 3 Newton, 5 Newton and 2 Newton, and the C part is the 2 Newton, 1 Newton, 3 Newton, or D part is all of these. So for these kind of questions you have to know about what is the range of these sets. Range means the what is the maximum and what is the minimum value. For the maximum value you just have to add any two forces in these sets, just like the for the range is equal to A plus B, where the A and B are the two forces in this set. Okay, and for the minimum you have to subtract the two forces out of the three forces, and if and by getting the range, if all three forces are present in the range and they are not out of the range, so it means that the set is in equilibrium. But if any of the force is out of the range, so it means that it is not in equilibrium. So just check it. So the first part is the for the maximum, the range A. For the range part A you have to just add up 5 plus 10, which is 15 Newton, and the second part is that you have to just subtract A minus B, which is the 10 minus 15, the 5 Newton, and we have calculated the range 5 to 15 Newton. And then you have to check the range that all the forces are lying inside this range. So in the part A, the 5, 10 and 3 are present in this range. So it's mean that then you have to check that if all the forces are located in this range or not. But in part A, the 5 and 10 are located in this range, but the number third force, which is the 3 Newton, is not inside this range. It's mean that the part A, this set is not in equilibrium. Then you have to check about the part B. So just have to make sure about that if the other MCQs are right or wrong. Okay, the part B is that the 3 Newton, 5 Newton and 2 Newton. So you just have to add any two forces. So the A plus B, the 3 plus 5, which is 8 Newton, and for the minimum A minus B, 5 minus 3, which is 2 Newton. So in this range, A to 2 range, in this range all the forces are present in this range. Okay, next the part C. For the part C, the range C is the part A plus B, which is the 2 plus 1, which becomes 3 Newton, and for minimum A minus B, 2 minus 1, which becomes the 1 Newton. So the range from 3 to 1, all the forces are present in this range. It's mean that the part B and part C are correct. So it's mean that we the correct option for this, because we have to check about which is not in the equilibrium. So the part A is correct for this MCQs. Next MCQs statement is that the resultant of 5 Newton and 2 Newton in this set, 3 Newton, 2 Newton and 5 Newton. We have studied that the sum of the two forces is equal to third force. It's mean that if the system or if these forces are in equilibrium, so we know that the sum of the 5 Newton and the 2 Newton, which is their resultant, is equal to third force, which is the 3 Newton. So from these options, the correct option this MCQs is 3 Newton, which is the beta. Okay, the next MCQs is that the body is disturbed from the position of stable equilibrium. It's mean that if we have disturbed the position of the stable equilibrium, its potential energy increases. The part B is potential energy decreases. The part C potential energy remains same, or the part D cannot be predicted. The right option for this MCQs is the part A, which is the potential energy increases. Okay, the next one is that the body is said to be in complete equilibrium if part A, the sum of all forces is 0, part B, sum of all torques is 0, or part C, sum of all forces are 0, or sum of torque is equal to 0, or part D, sum of all forces is equal to 0 and sum of all torque is equal to 0. We know that for the complete equilibrium the right option is the part D, because for the complete equilibrium sum of all forces should be 0 and also the sum of the all torques should be 0. Then okay, is that when a body is in equilibrium is disturbed such that its position of center of gravity lowers, the equilibrium is called stable, neutral, unstable, or a natural one. So the natural is not the correct. So the right option for this MCQs is the part B, which is the unstable equilibrium. So until the next video, it is my request, if you are, it is my request, please make sure to like, comment and share my videos, and also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the future notifications. Until the next videos, take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.